Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and a lifestyle. It's the girl, Lady M, and in today's video, we're going to be doing another first impression review of this new product from One Size called Turn Up the Base BB Cream Beauty Blur Balm. Yes, that's what we're going to be testing out today. I'm excited to try this. I think in my haul video, someone commented that this was fire. So yeah, we're gonna test that out today. If you're interested in seeing what my thoughts are on this new product from One Size, then be sure to keep on watching. Okay, so today we are getting into the One Size Turn Up the Base BB Cream Beauty Blur Balm. Whew, this is a lot of words, honey. And I have the shades Dark 2. I am no stranger to One Size. I also use the Turn Up the Base Versatile Powder Foundation Powder, and I use the shade Dark 2. When I was looking to get that, I was really nervous because the shades I felt like, didn't line up or whatever. So let's talk about this new One Size product. So we have it's oil-free, long-wearing, it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's good for acne and blemishes, it's alcohol-free. So it is a hybrid foundation with up to all-day wear that blurs the skin, visibly minimizes oils, and boosts hydration. The coverage is medium. The finish is natural. The formulation is liquid. So some of the highlighted ingredients, it has Japanese white rose stem cells, and these quickly improve the appearance of skin tone and visibly minimize oil over time. So that's what's controlling your oils. It has skin-like treatment pigments, which rapidly blur and feel like skin. And then it has avocado and mango hydra blend, and those are what's going to boost your hydration for smooth feeling skin. All right, so in my Sephora haul video, I did show the product. This is what it looks like. This is what the product looks like right here. It does have like this little squeezy tube right here, and that's kind of where the product comes out. This product does retail for $33, and we have about 18 shades. Now, since this is oil-free, I am gonna go in with a hydrating primer, and I'm going to be using this one by YSL. Okay, so I just quickly wanted to show you guys what this looks like. So that is the packaging right there, and it has the typical red colors from One Size. So I already primed. I'm just going to show you, it comes out like a liquid, but this kind of balmy kind of texture, and I already feel like I put too much on. This says that it is medium coverage, but I feel like it is way more than medium coverage, and that's what I'm gonna put. So again, the color that I used is Dark 2. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Dark 2. And it's so weird because in this formulation, the Dark 2 is golden, and in the powder, this same shade is going to be a neutral undertone. So that is a big difference between the product. So I do feel like working this way with the product is much better than kind of going in crazy. Because then I end up with too much product on, you know? Yeah, too much product. I do have the One Size concealer, and that's what I'm gonna use today. And it is on the lighter side. I never replaced it, so I just kept that light color. All right, so far I have the foundation blended out, and I'm gonna look in the mirror here. It's pretty nice. I don't really see any like settling into fine lines or anything. I can't really speak to the blurriness, but sometimes you have to wait for the foundation to dry down to really see what it's gonna look like. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with the rest of my face products, do something on my eyes, and hopefully by then the foundation would have dried down and we'll be able to get a real sense of what the foundation is looking like. Now, off the bat, I have to say it's very lightweight. I don't feel like I have much product on. I don't feel tight. I don't feel dry, you know, so that's a good thing. It feels very lightweight. I got coverage for sure. It says that it was medium, but I really feel like I could have gotten full, but it's also could just be because I don't need a lot of coverage. So it may feel like, it may look like full, you know, but it is medium on me because I don't really need, like, coverage is not something that's important to me. You know what I mean? So I'm liking it so far. All right, so yeah. All right. So I finished off my face. Again, I have been wearing this foundation now for probably about an hour or so. Let me see. Yeah, probably about an hour or so. And you guys, I love the way that it looks. Now that it has had a chance to dry down, I definitely see like some blurredness going on, and my skin just looks good. I mean, okay. I find that even when I use this powder foundation, because a lot of times I'll just wear this, you know, as my foundation and then, you know, put a little blush bronzer, and that makes my skin look amazing. When I wear that, sometimes people ask me, oh my God, what foundation are you wearing? You know, so this is amazing. It looks good. It's lightweight. It doesn't, I don't have anything like in lines. Like, it's not looking patchy. It just looks really, really good on the skin. So I feel like that Patrick Starr did a really good job with the formulation of this. I also love the packaging. I feel like it's very innovative how you just have to press this button here and the product comes out that way. So I feel like it's innovative. It's easy to travel with. It's like in this plastic. You're getting about 1 ounce of product, so that's pretty nice. Really typical of all, you know, like foundations. They're either going to be 1 ounce or, you know, 0.8 ounce or something like that. So I like this. I feel like it's really neat, sturdy, squeezy. I love that. So I feel like it's easy and great for travel. Yeah, I feel like it looks good. And so far, so good. I think the color is pretty good as well. But we'll see how that looks in natural light. When I go outside and take some pictures, I'll see, you know, what it looks like. But here, under all these bright lights, it looks, you know, pretty good. All right. So let me know in the comments, have you tried this One Size Turn Up the Base BB Cream Beauty Blur Balm foundation? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Somebody else had told me when I did my haul video that this was a bomb. They love this. This was fire. And yes, I am here to say it is fire and I love it. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this for the summertime when it gets really hot and humid and seeing how that holds up here. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys for watching today's video. If you aren't subscribed, then please take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. While you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.